Namaste students. I Suman Katare is back again here with another topic of maths. Last last video we learned triangle and its properties of triangle. In that we learned some new properties like median of a triangle, altitude of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle, exterior angle property of a triangle. Now we will see what is triangle inequality property. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. Here is a triangle ABC. I've labeled BC as a AC as a B, and AB as a small c. So as you can see here, it is labeled. Now what does this property mean? AB is equal to C. So when I add these lengths of these two sides, it is greater than the third side. So AB plus B is greater than C. Same way, B plus C, if I add B plus C, the total of this is greater than A. Same way, C plus A addition is greater than the third side B. This property can be verified for all the types of triangle. So we are going to do this verification. Is it exactly correct or not? So let us have the verification. Now I have a triangle with me. I'm going to measure the lengths of the triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. So let us measure the lengths with the help of scale. So BC is approx 13 centimeter. So it is, I am taking it as 13 centimeter. So BC is equal to 13 centimeter. Next side, AC is equal to 8 centimeter. BA or AB is equal to 11 centimeter. Now I have measured the lengths of the triangles. All three sides I have measured and the measurements are here. So let us verify now the triangle inequality property. Now as per the triangle inequality property, when we add these two sides, the total is greater than the third side. That is, sum of these two is greater than the third side. So I'll consider this as A, this as B, and this as C for meanwhile. So A plus B is greater than C. This we have to verify. So I'll add 13 plus 8. So total is 13 plus 8 is equal to 21 centimeter, and value for length for C is 11. So we can say that 21 is greater, sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. Now let us take another combination of other two sides. So other two sides are, I'll add B plus C. So B plus C is greater than A. So B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 11. So total is 19. Now our values, length of the side A is, which we have calculated, is 13. So you can see the sum is greater. So 19 is total 19. Sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. One more now, the last one. So we'll add A plus C greater than B. Let us check out whether do we get the same result. So A is 13, C is 11. So 13 plus 11 is equal to 24. 3 plus 1, 4 and 2. Now, and the third side B is 8 here. So B is 8 means 24 is greater than 8. So this proves that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. And one thing more we can conclude from this is, it is not possible to construct a triangle if the sum of lengths of any two sides is less than the length of third side. If in case that sum is not greater but it is less, then with that measurement we cannot construct the triangle. That is the conclusion. So we'll take one more question and we'll start. We'll take one more example. One more we'll take triangle to verify the property. I have taken triangle PQR. I have written the measurements on it. So I'll write PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. PR is equal to 7 centimeter and QR is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Now already this is a triangle, but if the lengths are given and if it is sum is less than, if any one set has sum less than the third side, then we cannot construct the triangle. Now let us do it, the calculations again. So I'll take two triangles, two sides first. I'll take 7 plus 7, label it as A, B and C, or you can take directly PQ plus PR. So I am taking A plus B is greater than C. So let us say 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 and C is given 11. So 14 is definitely greater than 11. Same way I'll add 7 plus 11 is equal to 17 and the third side is 7. So 11 is greater than 7. The next pair 7 plus 11 again is equal to 17, which is third side is again 7. So we can say that in all the cases the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. So this property is called as triangle inequality property. Now one more example we'll see from the textbook itself. So I have textbook here. One question, is it possible to draw a triangle with the following sides? So three measurements are given. We have to apply triangle inequality property and we have to check whether we can draw the triangle with these measurements given. So let us take one example. I'll be taking one example. 9 plus, so sides are given 9, 6, 5. So this first example I'll take and one more I'll take. Second one I'll take 15, 10, 26. Okay. So these two examples. So first I'll take this as A, B, C. So A plus B I'll add first. That is 9 plus 6. That is 15. So 15 is greater, sum is greater than third side, that is 5. Now add these two, we did addition, now we'll do addition of these two. So 6, that is B plus C, is equal to 6 plus 5, that is 11. So third side is 9. So 11 is greater than 9. One more pair, 9 and 5, that is A plus C. So A plus C, 9 plus 5. The total is 14. So 14 is greater than 6. So we can write a statement. Therefore, we can construct a triangle. We can draw a triangle with the help of given set of lengths of sides of triangle. Now one more question. We'll see this one. Let us see whether it verifies or not. 15 plus 10 gives 25. So is it 25 greater than the third side? No. So now, in the first step itself, we can conclude that the sum of the two lengths of the two sides of triangle is less than the third side. So we can write, therefore, we cannot construct a triangle with given sides. Hope you have understood this inequality, triangle inequality property. Some questions I'll be giving to you. You have to solve it in the notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.